There are a few ways that your text, your graphics or your videos could be getting cropped when you post your videos. But I'm going to show you how to stop that using guides in the Instagram Edits app. And of course, we're going to do all that in under 10 minutes. So let's begin. Phones at the ready. Here we go. So first of all, we always open up our app. The third icon on the bottom, we're going to go to projects and we're going to tap the plus button. And I'm going to add something from the gallery that I made the other day, which is this cup of coffee video. You might have seen it in the previous episode. And I'm just going to sit it there for a second. I'm going to do a couple of things to try and make things easier. Now, this video shouldn't last the 10 minutes, but it is something that is really important to do. It will stop things getting cut off, being in the way, being obscured by certain things by just following this kind of process and double checking things when you're done. So, for example, the first thing we want to do is we want to tap up the top where it says new project. We're going to tap the arrow down and it opens up a little mini menu. Yours might look slightly different because I know they've just rolled this out. It may just come down straight as a list. But hit the project settings and then you'll see loop, playback, snapping, show frame, show guides. You want to make sure that snapping is on. So this one here, on and off, I'm going to leave it on. And show guides is on. Okay, and then once you've done that, tap away. Now, you might not be able to see this very well. I'm going to try and help you to see this a bit better in a second. But you can see there's like a slight, like yellowy shadow all the way out. Now, this guide shows you where things are going to sit and maybe be in the way if you put them there. So, let me try and just show you. I'm going to just edit this and I'm going to put an effect or a filter on it. I'm just going to turn it black and white for now. Just for now, let me just find a black and white version. There we go. Now, if I leave this here, it's all black and white now, okay? And now you might be able to see that yellow bit a little bit clearer. So everything that is in the yellow area will be potentially obscured by something. So when we add text, for example, so let's add text and let's put good morning. Leave it like that, that's fine. Let's maybe change the font, make it something a little bit bolder, just because we like to do that. What about this one? No. It's just picking a font. That's all I'm doing, Ray. Don't make this difficult, but I do make it difficult. Yeah, what about this one? That'll do. Right, so now we've got our good morning, and you're gonna see it there, right? It's not the font that I would pick, but I'm just picking it for this. Now, as an example, first of all, this is snapping. Okay, so snap to the middle, and you'll feel a little like click, a little mini vibration, and that will show you that it's in the middle and with that yellow line that goes all the way through. Then if we go up, it will show you, you can show the middle vertically. So it'll be in the middle when it clicks. There. And then if we go along for both, you'll see that it's in the middle by doing that. So that's great. Also, if you put your text up here, that's in the yellow zone. That's going to get cropped off when you post it, or something is potentially getting in the way. So if you can see over here, there's a heart in this over here on the right-hand side. That means that when people like it, that's where the button is, and that's going to sit underneath. So this yellow border will always sit over the top of your video. So it might get obscured. If you put it down here and thought that would be good, then the good would be in the good area, but the morning would not. It would be covered by maybe text or a profile icon and things like that. So you want to make sure you switch on guides, either leave it on or switch it on right at the end and do a final watch through of your video to check nothing pops out there. And this is the same if you added a sticker. So let's see if we can add a little sticker. Let's just say this like icon, and you wanted to put that out there, and then you put it here. The likelihood is when you put it over there, it's going to get cut off a little bit in this area. So you might want to then edit it and pull it back. And if you put it out there, it'll be probably wrong. So we put it here. The other thing I want you to notice, and I'm going to hide my icons, particularly for this example, is my coffee cup isn't center, okay? I've put it a little bit higher and a little bit to the left. And as you can see, there's a box there that is exactly that. So the center of this image, I'm going to move this image for you. Let's see if I can do it. move it. If it was over here, if you see, if it was dead center, it would be about there, right? But that's a lot of space up the top. And don't forget, it's cropped a little bit thicker at the bottom. That it starts there and ends there. So when we reset it, it's a little bit, everything is a little bit higher and a little bit to the left to make sure it fits in this box that's clear. The one without the yellow around it. Let's see if I can, how long have we got? Oh. Okay. Not long left. We have been 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes. So there we go. Right, let's see. Right, this might be better for show you. Right, so this box along here we go. Look, here, 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 and here. This is the space, which means if it was center, the coffee cup would be somewhere down here, really. Realistically, it would be about here. Okay? But it's a little bit higher because this is where the line is at the bottom. It's thicker. It's giving you that much space of error. Whereas up here is only like that much space of error. Okay? So be aware of where you're putting things and use snapping. Snapping is really helpful. So, what else? Snap to the edge, how elements automatically lock. I've done that. The snapping is really useful to keep things clean and aligned. Okay, so if you wanted to make sure that your heart and your money, good morning, sorry, was all centered, and that would be in the center, and then I would put that would be center because it's in the yellow, and make sure it's there. Then I tap on the good morning. Let's make it a little bit larger, and then let's go center, and then they're both aligned. So you know that is straight and down the middle. This will always also happen on the edges. Somewhere. I think it happens in stories more on your edges with the snapping. Yeah, maybe it isn't. But what you can do is, with the yellow guides on, is you don't need it anyway, because look, you've got the yellow guide telling you that you can't go any more than that because it'll be in the yellow space. You can't go any more than that. It doesn't snap, but it obviously shows you. And I think in stories, it does snap the edges, up, down, left and right, definitely, of areas where it snap and align it to the left or align it to the right for you. Doesn't seem to have been passed on to in the Edits app or Reels yet. So make sure you're using those guides. I hope you found that helpful. Also, I just want to say, if you've been watching this series at all, if you found this helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like and leave comments. Ask me questions. This series is on episode 8 now, which means there are going to be another 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 more episodes. And so all of them, I want to make sure they're useful and they're helpful to people. So if you are watching them, if you like any of them, but if you have any questions, that's the bit that's really important to me. That if you leave a question, if you ask a question or propose a video that you might like me to do for you, towards the end of the series, if I've got spaces and I can swap things out, I think more people will want it, I'm happy to make a video on to help you. So do that, utilize that, request something, and hopefully I can get back to you and do a video for you to help you do whatever you want. I'm just going to play this video now, which is one that you'll probably see coming up soon, not with the heart, but let's get rid of that on the click as well. And just remember to turn on that guides. Remember project settings, you've got snapping and you've got show guides there. Remember to do that at least when you're checking your video to make sure nothing comes out. So if I just watch that video through with you one more time, you'll see that the coffee mug is a little bit up to the left. The biscuits, a bit of the biscuits might be out, but that's okay. I was willing to not worry about that so much. And every time the coffee mug is always in the correct space, because that's what I want you to really focus on. And if I add words in, I'm going to make sure that any other words that I add in here. So let's add some more text here. Refill. Let's call it refill. And I'll turn it up really large like this. And I'll move it around the space. Done. I'll go here and I'll move it here. Maybe I'll get that here like there on the corner, but if I go like that, it'll be, some of it will be cropped. If I go like that, some of it will be blocked. So I've got to kind of position it so it fits right in there, if you see, outside the yellow. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Until the next one, which will be the next day, keep checking them out, keep checking the playlist out. I'll be back again soon. Until the next one, peace.